What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape businesses from Google Maps automatically using Claude. So let's get started. To scrape businesses from Google Maps automatically using Claude, we're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for scraping our businesses for us. So in Claude, I'm going to click on Customize right here. I'm going to click on Skills. Here, I'm going to click on the plus icon. And here, we're going to create a skill using Claude. I'm going to hit Enter to describe the skill I would like to create. And you can tell Claude, create a skill that scrapes Google Maps for businesses based on a user's query, extracts publicly available data such as business name, address, phone number, website, ratings, and review count, then writes the results into a Google Sheet. The skill should return the results in a simple format that includes a Google Sheets link plus a list of businesses inside the sheet, clean columns with one business per row, and lastly, you're telling it to return only the link to the sheet with the populated data for review. I'm going to hit Enter and give Claude a second for it to create our skill. Here you can see it successfully created our skill for us right here. So here's how it works. So we're going to add the business that we're trying to scrape and the location. Then it's going to find the businesses for us and extract the business name, address, phone number, website, ratings, review count, more data. It's going to create a spreadsheet and add the data to the spreadsheet. Then output the link of the spreadsheet with populated data in it. This is incredible. So now to install our skill, I'm going to download it right here. Skill was downloaded. So now to install it, I'm going to click on Customize and click on Skills again. And here, we're going to upload the skill as a zip file. You can see our skill was uploaded right here. This is incredible. So now we can preview the skill to ensure that it has everything that we want. So we would like to only add a search query, Claude, and then it's going to extract all this data for us. Here. Then add the data to a spreadsheet, then output the link to the spreadsheet to preview the business that is just great for us. This is really incredible. So now to make any changes to the skill, we include or exclude some information that may have been included or excluded from the skill. All you have to do is just click on the three dots right here and click on Edit with Claude. And here you can include the information that you like to include or exclude from the skill using Claude, and Claude will automatically include or exclude the information from the skill. But since our skill works perfectly, we can try using it to scrape businesses from Google Maps and then add the businesses to a spreadsheet. So to do that, here we're going to use our skill. So I'm going to search for the Google Maps scraper skill. Then we're going to tell Claude, use this skill to scrape 10 restaurants in Miami and export the results into a Google Sheet containing one row per business with the following fields. We'd like to output the business name, full address, city, phone number, website, ratings, number of reviews, price level, cuisine type, and opening hours. Ensure the entries are real, accurate, and non-duplicate with missing data left blank. Then return the completed Google Sheets link containing the dataset. Here I'm going to hit Enter. And we're going to give Claude a few seconds for it to scrape our businesses for us, added into a spreadsheet. Here, you can see that our skill succeeded in scraping our businesses from Google Maps. Right here. You can see the 10 restaurants from Miami right here. The details right here, including their opening hours, cuisine, price, reviews, ratings, website, phone number, city, and their name. This is incredible. So now it proceeded to add the businesses to a spreadsheet right here. To preview the businesses in our spreadsheet, I'll open this link right here. And now when we open our spreadsheet, here you can see our 10 restaurants from Miami that we scraped using our skill in Claude. This is incredible. So you can see the website URLs of the restaurants. Here the business names, full address, city, their phone number, ratings, number of reviews, price level, cuisine type, and the opening hours. This is really impressive. It's incredible. So we successfully scraped these restaurants from Miami from Google Maps using this skill that we created right here in Claude. This is incredible. We can try scraping 10 more businesses using our skill. So we can tell Claude, use this skill to scrape 10 gyms in Los Angeles and export the results into a Google Sheet containing one row per business with the following fields: business name, full address, city, phone number, website, ratings, number of reviews, price level, service offered, and opening hours. Ensure all entries are real, accurate, non-duplicate, with missing data left blank, then return a completed Google Sheets link containing the dataset. So here I'm going to hit enter. Then I'm going to give Claude a few seconds for it to scrape our leads for us. You can see it successfully scraped our 10 gyms for us over here automatically. This is incredible. Here's a snippet of the gyms that is scraped for us. Here are the names, address, phone numbers, ratings, and their reviews. So now to preview the gyms that is added to our spreadsheet right here, we're going to open this link. When we open our spreadsheet, here you can see our 10 gyms that is successfully scraped for us over here. You can see the website URL, the business name, the address, city, phone number, Google Maps ratings, number of reviews, the price level, the service that they offer over here, and the opening hours. This is incredible. This is awesome. So we scrape these 10 gyms from Los Angeles automatically using the skill that we created right here in Claude. So we're just adding 10 as a number. You can choose to go as high as you'd like, and the Claude will effectively scrape the businesses for you. I'll put the link to a spreadsheet with the leads, similar to this one right here, or this one over here. This is incredible. You can try scraping a couple of more using our skill. So I'll search for our skill, and then we're going to tell Claude, use this skill to scrape 10 dental clinics in London and export the results into a Google Sheet containing one row per business with the following fields: business name, full address, city, phone number, website, ratings, number of reviews, price level, service offered, and opening hours. Ensure the entries are real, accurate, and non-duplicate, with missing data left blank, and return a completed Google Sheets link containing the dataset. To scrape the data, I'm going to hit enter here. Yeah, you can see it successfully scraped our clinics from London for us over here. This is incredible. So you can see the snippet of the leads. So you have their names, addresses, phone numbers, ratings, reviews, and their website URLs. To preview the full list of the clinics, I'm going to open this link right here. Now when we open our link, here you can see our 10 dental clinics that we scraped from London. Here their website URLs, here their business name, the full address, city, phone number, ratings, reviews, price is empty, the service that they offer, the opening hours right here. This is really impressive. This is incredible. So we scrape these dental clinics automatically and added the clinics to a spreadsheet using the skill that we created right here in Claude. We can try scraping to scrape our leads. We're going to use our skill right here. Use this skill to scrape 20 hair salons in New York City and export the results into a Google Sheet containing one row per business with the following fields: business name, full address, city, phone number, website, ratings, number of reviews, price level, service offered, and opening hours. Sure all entries are real, accurate, and non-duplicate listings with missing data left blank, and return a link to the spreadsheet with the data set. To scrape the leads for us here, I'm going to hit enter. Now we're going to give Claude a few seconds for it to scrape the leads for us. You can see that our skill succeeded in scraping our 20 hair salons in New York. Right here, this is incredible. You can see a snippet of the leads. Here are their names, addresses, phone numbers, ratings, and their reviews. To preview the entire list of our leads added to this spreadsheet, I'm going to open the link. Now when you open our spreadsheet, here you can see our 20 leads that we successfully scraped using Claude. from Google Maps. Here are their website URLs. So we included website URLs of salons that have a website. And here are the business names, full address, the city, phone number, Google Maps rating, number of reviews, price level, service that they offer. Here, their opening hours. This is really impressive. So here are the list of leads that we successfully scraped and added to these spreadsheets over here automatically using the Google Maps scraper skill that we created right here in Claude. This is incredible. This is how you can automatically scrape leads or businesses from Google Maps using Claude. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.